In this video, we'll quickly walk you through how to get an email list on Housecall Pro, an essential feature that can streamline your client communication. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to harness this tool to grow your business and keep your customers in the loop. Housecall Pro makes it easy for home service businesses to manage clients, appointments, and, of course, email marketing. One of the most useful features is the ability to build and manage an email list, helping you keep in touch with clients and stay top of mind for future jobs. To get started, head over to the Customers tab in Housecall Pro. This is where all your client information is stored. You'll see a list of customers who have booked jobs with you or contacted you in the past. From here, you can easily create a segmented email list based on specific criteria, like service type, location, or even those who haven't booked a job in a while. Now let's talk about how to export your email list. Once you have your list of customers selected, Housecall Pro gives you the option to export that data into a CSV file. You can use this file to upload into your email marketing platform, like MailChimp or Constant Contact, where you can easily send newsletters, promotions, or updates about your services. You can also use Housecall Pro's built-in marketing tools. If you're not familiar with email marketing software, this feature allows you to create and send emails directly from the platform. It's great if you want to save time without needing an additional tool. You can customize your email templates, add personalized content like the customer's name or past service, and schedule them to go out at the perfect time. But here's where it gets even more useful. The email list can be segmented in several ways to ensure your messages are as relevant as possible. You can create different groups for repeat clients, leads who haven't converted, or those who've left positive reviews. By sending targeted emails, you increase your chances of converting leads into customers or keeping repeat customers coming back for more. The key to making email marketing effective is consistency and relevancy. The great thing about Housecall Pro is that it gives you the flexibility to stay on top of your emails and manage everything from one platform. Whether you're sending a reminder for a scheduled appointment or offering a seasonal discount, Housecall Pro helps you keep your email lists organized and up to date. If you're new to Housecall Pro, you're in luck. There's an exclusive offer waiting for you. By using the first link below, you can sign up for a free trial with bonus features to really test everything out. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to share how you can get an extended free trial to this software, so you can fully explore everything it has to offer without worrying about the clock ticking down. Whether you're just getting started with email marketing or looking for a way to streamline client communication, Housecall Pro's email list management can help take your business to the next level. So make sure to click that link below to sign up and get started for free with our exclusive bonuses. Don't forget, you have a chance to get an extended trial, so take advantage of that and explore the full range of features Housecall Pro offers. Thanks for watching.